Okay, so here are some examples of rotations. So this first one, we're asked to just rotate a point. We're going to rotate the point 1, 3 counterclockwise, 90 degrees. So if we're going counterclockwise, I like to draw all my arrows that tell me counterclockwise. So we're at 1, 3, and we need to go that way. So let's make a little L shape. We're on the axis 3, off the axis 1. So let's do that again. On the axis 3, off the axis 1. So our new point would be at -3, 1. Okay, let's do that again. Well, actually it's a different point, isn't it? -1, 3. We're going to rotate that one counterclockwise. All right, so that's going to go from quadrant 2 to quadrant 3. So here we go. It is on the axis 3, off the axis 1. Let's do that again. On 3, off 1. That's our new point right there. That'll be -3, -1. Okay. This one that you want to try on your own. Okay. About the origin. But if we rotate 180 degrees, remember it doesn't matter which way we do that, but that means that we're going to have to do 90 and then 90 more. So our 90-degree rotation would just be on the axis at 2. Our 180-degree rotation would be this 90 degrees again, so putting it down here, so it would just be 0, -2. Okay? Now what about 270 degrees? Well, 270 degrees is like doing 90 degrees and doing that 3 times. However, there's a much easier way to do that. So instead of saying 270 degrees clockwise and having to repeat the process 3 times, if we repeat the process 3 times, that would take us from quadrant 1 all the way around to quadrant 2. Is there a quicker way to get there? I think so. I think that we should probably just go 90 degrees, and instead of going clockwise, let's just go counterclockwise. All right? So if we go counterclockwise, that means that I'll be on the axis 4, off the axis 1, on the axis 4, off the axis 1. My new point would be at -4, +1. The last one I want you to try on your own. But then to summarize this page, I want you to also think about what you could have done as far as rotations go. So 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation is you're always going to be switching X and Y, and then you will negate the first entry. But you guys come up with that, okay? You guys summarize this page. I'm going to pause this video now. Okay, I found a little talking point. So we got 180 degrees. It said counterclockwise, but I didn't even read this, okay? I decided to go clockwise, so my fault. But remember, 180 degrees, it doesn't matter which direction you go. So I've chosen to go clockwise. So this is on 3, off 2, on 3, off 2, on 3, off 2. So this is my new point. It's at 180 degrees, and it's at 2, -3. I want you to start summarizing what happened. What happened to the X and Y values this time? Okay? All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Take care.